Hey guys, welcome back to another new video for you guys. So guys, by seeing the thumbnail you had know what we today we will do. So guys, I will give the reducted portion of mathematics part 1 means our algebra. So I will give you today algebra's reducted portion, plus I will explain you practice set 1.1 of first chapter. So first of all I will give you the reducted portion. Okay, so if you have not subscribed my channel, so please subscribe my channel, like the video and tell me in comments more things, more field answers which you do want. Okay, so let us start. First of all, sanitize our hand, which is we always do. So first of all, our hand sanitize our hand. So guys, I have sanitized my hand. Oh, cap also remain here. So let us do like this also. So let us start. Okay, so from first chapter I will show you. From first chapter I will give you the. So in first chapter, in the practice set 1.1 question number 2, first, second, third all has been reducted. Only 7 and 8 is there. Okay, 7 and 8 is there. Okay, 7 8 is there. This all is for you. This all also you have to do. This. So here you can see this page. So here this page is full reducted. So this page you have to not to do. Okay, this page has been fully reducted. Okay, you have to do this example number 2. Here this full has been reducted, this full has been reducted, and practice set 1.4 this also has been reducted, this also has been reducted. So next we will see so in this the sixth sum, yes, this sixth sum has been reducted. Yes guys, this sixth sum has been reducted. And here in this the question number 6, the question number 6 has been reducted. So and on next page, here also the sixth sum, yes guys, here also the sixth sum, this sum, yes, has been reducted. So we reach to second chapter. In second chapter you have to do this full this also full. Here also you have to do the full. Here also, here the reducted portion, the example number 1 has been reducted. Here the practice 2 point, yes guys, the practice 2.3 has been fully reducted. Okay, it has been fully reducted. Okay, next. Here for more information, this which always has given to you, this is also fully reducted. So move further. Okay, here on page number 46, this whole has been reducted, this whole page is also reducted, this page is fully reducted. Move to next. Here the practice at 2.1's third question, yes, third question has been reducted. And sorry, I forget to do this. Let's remember has been fully reducted. Okay, move further. Here on page number 50, this fifth and sixth has been reducted. Next on page number 53, only the sixth sum, yes, this sixth sum has been reduced. And last on 54 page number, third sum, no guys, third sum is not deducted, the 10th sum is only the 10th sum is deducted guys. So guys, I have given you 2 chapter deducted portion. Further I will give you in next part video, which will you will get, and the main chapter deducted, that also I will tell you. In exam we will have first, second, third, fifth only guys. The financial planning and the statistics chapter has been reducted. So as I have told you, I will explain the practice set 1.1 also in this video guys. So we will let us start, but the all sum, the 1 to 6 sum has been deducted, only two sums has been given, so I will explain only two sums, because it is not necessary and it is not beneficial to explain that sums. Okay, so I will not explain you this. First of all, I will explain you this first 7th and 8th sum, then I will explain you this. So if now till now you have not liked the video, so please like the video, share the videos to your friend and subscribe my channel. So start. So guys, I have written all, so let us see our 7th sum. The 7th sum, first of all I will write the 7th sum. Okay, the 7th sum is 99x plus 101 is equals to 4499. 10x plus 99y is equals to 501. So guys, who have done this few the sums, he will know how to do. So first of all, we do the straight middle term, means first of all we always make the middle term same, but here if we make the middle term same by doing multiply, but the numbers are so big, 99 into 499, think how much it will come, it is very difficult. So I will give a easiest trick to solve this sum, so very easy. Okay, so just focus on the sum. So see, so first I will write 99x plus 101y is equals to 499 is our first equation. 10x plus 99, oh guys, it's 101. By mistakenly I have written, I have not completed the sum, sorry. 99y is equals to 501. This is our second equation. So our first equation is 99 plus 101 y is equal to 410, and our second equation is 101x plus 99y is equal to 501. So we have to first of all plus this. This is the very easiest trick to solve these questions. So solution, so we will write the statement, therefore adding the equation 1 and 2 we get, okay, this we get. So adding the equations, 99x plus 101y is equals to 499, 101x plus 99y is equal to 501. So we will first of all plus this. So while plussing, it's become 200x, and this becomes plus 200y is equals to, finally it's become 1000. So so for again we have to write the, so we got that 200x plus 200y is equal to 1000. So if you are thinking the answer is also the bigger only, so why we have done not that method. But one more step, now we have to divide this sum by 200. So let us write the statement, multiplying the, so we have to write the equation number, so we have to take the equation to it. Okay, multiplying the third equation by 200, it's divide. By mistakenly I have written, please understand, because the video has become very bigger, so I am doing very fast the mistakes, so please ignore that mistakes. So it becomes 200x plus 200y is equals to 1000. So I am doing directly 200 upon 1000, 201, this is 1, and this 200, 400, 600, 800, 1000. So Pfizer, okay, it is from Pfizer. So it we got 1x plus 1y is equals to 5. This is our the fourth equation. Now we will so we have to now again subtract the equation 1 and second. First we have done addition, now we have to subtract the first and second equation. So we will write, we get, so I am writing very fast because the video has become very big. I think it video will able to upload or not also. 99x plus 101 y is equals to 499. 101x plus 99y is equals to 501. We have to just subtract it. Okay, so in subtraction we are doing the subtract. So in subtract, the signs changes. So it's become this. Okay, so here you got only 2x. Okay, minus 2x, bigger number sign, and in this we got plus 2y. Okay, we got plus 2y is equals to, and in this we got only 2 minus 2. Okay, we got minus 2. Therefore, so guys, now we have to divide this. So we will write the statement dividing the fourth equation by dividing the fourth equation by 2. So let us divide 2x upon 2 plus 2y upon 2 is equals to minus 2. So it's 1 1 and 1. So therefore minus 1x plus 1y is equals to minus 1. This is our fifth equation. So the middle term. So the middle term is plus the middle term means we got fourth and fifth equation. Middle term same, but the signs are different, so we have to do subtract. We will write therefore subtracting fourth and fourth and fifth equation. So fourth equation and subtracting, we are doing 1x plus 1y is equals to 5 and minus 1x plus 1y is equals to minus. As the sign changes, it become plus, it become minus, it become plus. So plus is become 2x. Okay, this fully get cancelled and the signs become plus, so it is become 6. So it's equal to 6 upon 2. 2 1s are 2, 2 3s are 6. Therefore we got the x is equals to 3. Now we have to substitute. So we will write therefore substituting x value in any equation. Which equation do you want? In any equation. So I am taking the easiest, means fourth equation. Okay, in fourth equation. Okay, so I will put the x value in fourth equation. So I am doing directly 1 into 3 plus 1y is equals to 5. It becomes it becomes the 1 into 3 is 3 is number, so we can't solve this. So 3 came here, the 5 minus 3, it become y is equals to 2. Therefore y is equals to 2. We got our answer. Now we will check it. Right, checking. We will write checking. Therefore we will do in same sum only. We will do the checking. So we will write 1 into 3 plus 1 into 2 is equals to 5. So 1 3s are 3 plus 1 2s are 2 is equals to 5. 5 is equals to 5. Therefore our sum is also right. And I have done this checking by fourth equation, which I have told same to same, guys. So the video has become, guys, very long, guys. So please, I have done such a video big for you, and now I have told you that I will do the 8th sum. But guys, the video has become so long, so it is not possible. So you do the 4th 8th sum by own. If it is not not coming, so tell me in comments. I will make one more video for it, that only. And I have also told that I will give this also, but it is not possible. But I am showing you the answer. So in same method, the method has been given, just you have to write the value. So you have just see the value and understood how to solve it. Okay, guys, sorry about it, but the video has become very long and it is not possible to me upload such a big video, guys. So guys, if till now you have not like and subscribe my channel, so guys, please like the video, subscribe the channel, and tell in comments if you got the 8th sum or not. Okay, so bye bye, guys.